What is up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog.
That sounds nothing like what I just
Daniel
did. That's not what I did. Do it again.
Sanchez.
Could you tell him to do it?
Can you do it?
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Not me, you. Do it. Do it. Come on, fool. After 3 long days of working on the Subaru that's in the shop right now, guess what? It's leaving! But it's not done yet. The wheels are done, right? So the wheels were custom 3-piece wheels built by
Nifty.
We're going to
Best Tire to get some
Best Tire to get new tires.
Yeah.
And then off to,
and then back here so I can finish it up.
and then we got to get the
There's some
stand
small things
styled
that we
in.
need to work out, but you know, it's just small things. We'll finish that in like an hour.
Super windy out here. Let's keep walking.
Okay.
I like putting my arm around you, bro. Let these guys know how much I love you. Just be like, he loves me a lot.
He loves me a lot, and I have to say it because you know he's my boss.
Just kidding, guys. Okay, so been working on the Subaru for the past 3 days. You guys know that. You've seen some of the vlogs. Wheel reveal tonight. You're gonna go along with Anthony. Anthony's gonna take the camera, go to Best Tire Shop. Shout out to them. They always take care of us. Vic over at Best Tire Shop, the best dude in the tire industry. So if you're local to the Southern California area, local to Southern California, if you are in Fontana, Rancho Cucamonga, Ontario, Chino, anywhere in those areas that are close to the vicinity, go visit Vic over in Fontana. He's the best dude in the tire business. We're gonna head over there. It's a little late, but he's keeping the shop open for us so he can make sure he gets this thing dialed so we can get it on the road. The due date's tomorrow. Customers coming all the way up from like San Francisco area. So a really long drive or flight to come pick this thing up. He's given us more than enough time to knock it out. It's finally done and we get to deliver it tomorrow. So we'll show you cinematics, everything once it's done. We got to get the wheels put on tonight. We got to get the fitment dialed tomorrow, clean up the wrap, not clean it up, but wash it and get it delivered. So we're gonna show you guys everything. 3M black rose carbon fiber hood. Cody installed the hood pins. He also installed the fender flares. And Johnny, 3 days of wrapping, non-stop, got it done.
Not too shabby.
Killed it. Our first project without our boy Mitch. Super sad, but kind of like feels good. We killed it, right?
Yeah.
That's done. We got like 2 or 3 cars getting delivered in the next day or two. We had a new Mustang, we have a new Mercedes getting dropped off, full wraps going on. My goal is to finish this one up tomorrow. Basically done. And then also I got some stuff coming. This one, a little teaser, brand new tail lights, custom LED, sequential, all this crazy stuff going in those tail lights. Gonna start that the way I think tomorrow, but in reality, sometime next week.
So Vic just finished up testing the wheels on the car, figured out the tire sizes. So it's a secret tire size. I'm pretty sure you Subaru guys already know, but anyways, like I said, we're leaving the wheels overnight. Tomorrow we're gonna pick them up with tires on it. He's gonna be adjusting the suspension and the alignment. And that's it. Ken and I are gonna go home, so we'll see you tomorrow. All right, guys, welcome back. You guys already know yesterday we took the car to Best Tire, so now we're gonna take it back again so we can get the wheels and the tires mounted on there. But before we go, we wanted to decide to that Best Tire, so we need them a bunch of banners for that. Anyways, Daniel! Anyways, so we are gonna be making them banners. Actually, we already made them. Thanks to Ken and Christian for making these. Super dope. They decided to do black and white. These are just testers, but Best Tire is gonna have some cool stickers for their cars, so gonna hand these off to him, then pick up the wheels. Right, Dan? You wanted this. Don't make fun of me.
The Subi's finally back from the wheel and tire shop, so the new wheels are on and it looks sick. I'll give you guys a little sneak peek. Flossin's over there detailing it, getting washed up. The customer's already on his way, so should be here pretty quickly. We want to make sure that we're delivering a nice clean car. That's what we're doing. So Flossin's here a little late, detailing the car on a Friday night. Thank you, Flossin Auto Detailing. But check it out, this is my favorite part. Scooter's getting pulled in now. Gonna keep working on this thing. Got a couple minutes till delivery, and it looks so good. It just got cleaned. Oh my God, this is the first time I've seen it with the wheels on. That looks sick, dude. All detailed up, new wheels, new tires, new wrap. This is a 3M 1080 gloss black rose vinyl, and 3M has had a stigma in the industry recently to where people are not liking the film because of adhesive lines. Let me show you guys something. I don't see one adhesive line on this whole wrap. All right, guys, customers here. I just got informed. I want to go out and say hi. See if he's hyped. Have you seen your car yet?
No.
No? You're not looking?
No.
I made him come with his eyes closed.
Did you fly here or did you drive?
We took the bus.
Took the bus?
Yeah.
You took the bus too? Oh my God.
The 9-hour bus ride.
9-hour bus ride from where?
From San Jose to Los Angeles.
Wow.
Yeah.
Well, thank you, bro. I'm
Yeah, no
honored. I
problem.
really am.
Yeah.
What's your Instagram?
_.
So if you guys want to see what the car looks like in a week or two from now and the more stuff he's going to do to it, go to his Instagram. We'll put it right here.
Yeah.
5 more minutes, bro. So the car is fully detailed. That was one of the big holdups. We wanted to make sure that when he got the car, he got to see it in its best and most greatest form. So Flossin is detailing this whole thing. They're polishing it, doing the interior now. The whole exterior has been waxed. The wrap looks like paint. I swear to God, the wrap looks like paint. But I want to show you some interior stuff. We did wrap parts of the interior. I don't know if we got to filming it because we kind of ran into a little time crunch on the last day here.
Oh my God.
So what's cool about this app right here, Ronin Automotive, Jack did it. So basically you can change it to any color you want. See that? And what's cool about the app too is when you click that little chameleon thing, check out this.
Oh.
Yeah. Then back to white. And there you go.
What the heck?
Yeah. So there you go.
It's like getting a new car all over again.
Yeah.
Thank you for letting us do it.
Yeah. Thank you so much, everyone,
Absolutely.
for helping me out with this car.
Thanks for letting us do it, man. It's amazing to work with clients all over the world. It seems like our business has been growing in that direction. From our online store, we get a deal and deal direct with you guys all over the world. People repping our banners. Humbling, super, super thankful. Dealing with Brandon on this project, he gave us full creative control, let us do our thing. We did the wide body kit, we did the custom 3-piece wheels, we did custom lighting, the full wrap, obviously ceramic coat. A lot went into this project, and just the fact that people trust us, you know, to do these kind of things to their vehicles, because it's like, I don't know, it's just next level. It's amazing, and we're super, super thankful. I'm very appreciative that you guys are watching us go through this journey as our business transitions. We're growing a lot, and the services that we're starting to offer, it's going further. So very, very thankful for the whole crew, my whole staff, everybody that put in the work, the overtime to get this done, because it is Friday night and it is 8 p.m. and we're still here. And I think we're all equally as excited to deliver these things. Satin black, that's right, satin black. Do you want to stylize this with any of the gloss accents that you currently have on the car? You know, when you have a black car, there's a lot of cool things you can do, especially with when you're doing satin black. One thing I like to do is complement it with, you know, you have your gloss black roof or your mirrors or your door handles or your wing. There's so many things you can stylize the car with. This is our first 18. Okay. Yeah, so I won't scare you until it's our first Mustang, but the first 18. So, you know, it's definitely a little bit more challenging, but it's nothing that we can't handle. You know, we're gonna kill it.
Yeah, I know you guys already do good work, so.
All right, man. Well, it's
I'm
exciting.
man.
Thank you, brother. I appreciate it. Thank you for letting us do it. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Hope it wasn't too long, too drawn out. I really wanted to show you as thoroughly as possible, show you the process of what we're doing here, and just keep joining us. Watch our business evolve and be a part of it. Thank you guys so much. This is a premium fam, and just crazy. Super thankful. We'll see you guys in the next vlog.